Welcome to our English class. Today we are discussing about verb. What is verb? It is a word that denotes an action and state of being are called a verb. For example, I play a game. Here, play is the verb. Verb. Play is the verb. This verb again divided into two types. First one is principal verb. Second one is auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verb. Principal verb, auxiliary verb. Principal verb is a word that comes after helping verb. That comes after helping verb are called principal verb. It denotes an action word. For example, he is writing a letter. First, is a helping verb. Second one is action word or verb. Action word or verb. This action word or verb comes after helping verb. Comes after helping verb. This is the principal verb. Principal verb. Second one is auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb. It is a word to formation of tenses. To formation of tenses and mode of action word. Mode of action word are called auxiliary verb. What is the auxiliary verb? It is a word that used to formation of sentence and mode of an action word, that is called auxiliary verbs. It refers to is, and, are, was, were, have, has, do, and so on. These are the auxiliary verbs. These auxiliary verbs again two types. These auxiliary verbs again two types. First one, helping verb or linking verb. Helping verb or linking verb. Linking verb. Second one, modal verb. Modal verb. Modal verb. Helping verb or linking verb. Second one is modal verbs. Helping verb, it is a word that connected to the sentence. That connected the sentence to the action words. To the action words are called helping verb. What is the helping verb? It is a word that connects to the sentence and to the action word are called helping verb. For example, they are jumping on the floor. Jumping on the floor. Or is the helping verb. It is connected to the sun. It is connect the sentence to the main verb or action verb. Main verb or action verb. Helping verbs of a present tense. Helping verbs of present tense. Present tense are am, is, are, do, does, have, had. These are the present tense helping verbs. Helping verbs are past tense. Past tense are did, had, was, were. These are the past tense helping verbs. For example, she did not punish them. Here is the helping verb to connect with the main action word. Action word, it is the helping verb to the connect with the main action word. Okay. Then modal verbs. Then modal verbs. Modal verb is nothing but it is a word to mode of an action word are called modal verbs. For example, can, could, may, might, should, would, shall, or will. These are the modal words. For example, can. Modal words. These are the words to mode of. Do not say mode of an action words that are called modal words. Can. For example, she can speak English. Speak English. She can speak English. Can is the modal word. It mode of an action word speak. Say ability. It indicates the ability. She can jump on the floor. On the floor. So it is the power of an action. Power of action. She can enter. She can enter into the room. Here can is used to permission. Can is used to permission. Then could you give your pen? Here could is used for a request. Could you like to tea? Here could is used as a offer. Could is used as a offer. Then next may. May I come in? Here may is used to request. May I live long? Here may. Here possibility, we can say possibility. May is used as possibility. Now may rain heavily. Here may use as a expectations. Then should. You should. You should. You should arrest the thief. Here the should is used for a duty. Mode of duty. You should pay the fee. Here should is used as a order. Okay. Then would. Ramesh would study at 5 o'clock. At 5 o'clock yesterday. Here what is tells past tense. What is tells past tense. The next is shall or will. Shall or will, use it for future. I will meet her. I will meet her. So will is used for future tense. Will. Here these are the modal verbs. Modal verbs. What are the modal verbs? Can, could, may, might, would, shall, should. These are the modal verbs. These words are used for mode of an action or main verb. We can see examples here. So once again I briefly explain to you about the verb. Verb is nothing but it is a word that denotes an action or state of being. The sentence are called verbal. It is again two types. First one is principal verb. Second one is auxiliary verbs. Principal verbs. These are the words that comes after helping verb are called principal verbs. Examples is, am, are, was, were, do, does, did, so on. Auxiliary verbs means these are the connected sentences to the action word. These are the words that connected to the sentence to the action words are called, and formation of tenses and mode of action. These are the auxiliary verbs. Again auxiliary verbs two types: helping verbs and modal verbs. Helping verbs, these are the words, the formation of sentence and mode of action. Action words, main verb that are called helping verbs. Helping verbs of present tense are am, is, or, do, does. These are the have, had, or the present tense. These indicate that these are used for making or formation of present tense. Then past tense. Helping verbs of a past tense are was, were, did, had. We can use these words to make a past tense. So the next verb is modal verbs. These words to modify or model of action words that are called modal verbs. Examples: can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should. These are the modal verbs. These words are modified the main action words. Okay, thank you.